And here I made some space in my phone. Well, I decided I'm gonna go and I'm going to explain. Oh my fucking god, this is fun. I never suspected that I'm going to be involved in this shit in my life. And yet you can see, this is not fake, guys. I did not fucking bring a truck of melted, incinerated, smashed cow remains and poured it in the fucking fields. Who the fuck cares? You can see the blood. Well, I'm gonna keep my stick. I'm gonna explain you what I felt and what I feel now. No, I have to go through this fucking road to get home. It seems okay. This video gonna be long, I guess, but this is all I want to do right now. I want to talk the fuck out because I feel devastated. So I went with my dog. I heard the hunters shoot, which is most likely not the hunters, because the last time the same fucking sound, the same boom sound happened. The hunters, that was not the hunters, the sound started. So the same shit happened right now. I so fucking hope the footage is good. I so fucking hope. The wind was blowing from my back, so I picked a fucking angle so the microphone didn't get the wind. So I think it's going to be as clean as possible. And if it's not, well, that's pretty fucked up of me to say that now, because, but hey guys, I don't fucking know. This is gonna be cleaner than the last time for sure, because the wind was behind me. But that's beside the point. It's flash, guys, it's fucking flash. Guys, you see me fucking closer. This is illegal as fuck. Serious. Fuck, the smell is fucking blood. I don't need a stick, whoever gonna fucking attack me. I think I'm done. I'm sorry, I'm fucking speechless. I feel fucking devastated. I'm shaking to this fucking moment. I'm fucking shaking right now. My legs are fucking shaking. I can't control it, so I'm sorry if this is not the best footage. Some people want this shit unedited, so I guess I will not edit anything out. Even if it's gonna be fucking 20 minutes long. When the sound started, I felt okay, you know. The last time I felt like my lungs were zapping. By zapping I mean, imagine you breathe and like your brain loses connection with your lungs and you, oh, the fucking smell. Ah, this is a fucking dread zone, I'm fucking telling you. Experimental piece of shit. So when my lungs were zapping, it feels like you breathe, you lose connection with your lungs, and you like stop unconsciously and you like breathe again, you stop. It's like really strange breathing pattern then occurs. I felt automatically I needed oxygen. I was finding it hard to breathe. Then this shit intensified and I decided to run. And now I see that was a good idea. I ran about 300 meters, so I ran up that hill and I was pounding pretty heavy, so maybe it stopped earlier, but the sounds were gone. Then I noticed my phone is out. But I was so fucking thankful that the footage was not destroyed. You know, I'm filming and the battery just fucking dies. My battery was at 100%. I checked it, double checked it. I was charging it for 4 hours. But this time, it's okay. It seems okay. The battery is fine. You can see me filming here like for fucking 20 minutes. It was not zapped. So besides that, the sound started. I didn't feel anything. You know, you saw the video. I just want to say what I felt detailed. The sound started. I felt nothing. I was okay. Well, my heart was pounding, but that was because adrenaline, you know. The experience that just happened was exhilarating and terrifying at the same time. You know, it's the same sounds again at the same place. This is not a coincidence at this time, but I knew I had a fucking chance to create some golden footage, and I guess I did a good job at creating the fucking golden footage for you guys. But like I said, I'm sorry. I think I'm not going back there. This is some illegal shit. This is insane. You can't fucking do that shit. I don't even know who is responsible for that. I'm getting closer to the fucking place, but I have no other way to get out of here. So what happened then was, it's like, well, my memory is like frames, like low, like 8-frame video game. I remember this shit in frames, low frames. It was like pictures. My dog screamed out of pain. Well, dogs scream like that when they are in pain, I guess. And at the same instance, when I understood, when my brain, I don't know how to explain, at the same instance, my dog, I'm fucking speechless. I don't know, maybe what the fuck, maybe they messed up with my fucking brain now. At the same instance, when my dog screamed, let's say that's the word, I felt like it was fucking, my mouth excreted, it was very fast, my mouth excreted a shit ton of saliva, and the taste was like metal or some shit. Imagine this happened very quickly. My mouth excreted saliva, and the taste was like metallic, but that metallic was so aggregating that I almost fucking puked. I think I would have puked, but I have digested all my food before going here, so that was just fucking insane. It happened so quick, I didn't even know what to do. I stood up and I thought I have to film even more. I was still filming. I was walking. I wasn't even running. I don't know if this shit was serious. I know I just got disoriented very quickly. I did not understand what the fuck is going on. I'm gonna stay here. I don't want to fucking leave this place yet. It's some strange addiction. I'm gonna stay in this hole because this is from the site. The series track is so old. Besides these jeeps that ran here. So I almost puked. And I thought I still had to film. And again, low space of footage. I'm gonna increase the space and record this shit.